Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best 60% mechanical keyboards.
Starting at number 5.
Royal KLUDGE. Although it has higher wired latency than the Huntsman and Pro 2 and feels less well-built than the Corsair K65 RGB Mini, the Royal KLUDGE RK61 is your best bet for a cheap compact board. It's well-suited for casual gamers or on-the-go professionals looking for a smaller home and office board. Surprisingly, for something in this price bracket, it has a hot-swappable printed circuit board, so you can swap out the stock switches with other mechanical switches of your choice for a typing experience tailored to your needs. It's a great choice if you're just getting into keyboards, since it's a cheap way to test out what switches you like without spending a small fortune. Plus, it comes in several variants that offer wireless connectivity options, different backlighting configurations, and a range of sizes, so you'll surely find the best version for you.
Coming at number 4.
Corsair K65 RGB. While the Razer and SteelSeries models above offer in-depth customization, and the Huntsman offers Bluetooth flexibility, the Corsair K65 RGB Mini is a straightforward budget pick focused on raw gaming performance. Instead of non-standard switches with adjustable pre-travel distances, the Corsair comes with typical Cherry MX switches. You can get your choice of switch type, including Cherry MX Speeds, a classic gaming switch with a feather-light actuation force and a short pre-travel distance for a sensitive and smooth key press throughout, though beware, these switches can make you more prone to making more mistakes while typing, as even light touches can register a keystroke. The high-quality PBT keycaps have a bit of texture, so your fingers won't slip off of them, even during tense, competitive games. They also have clear legends that allow the RGB lighting to shine through them, making them easy to read in darker rooms. Overall, this keyboard's gaming performance is unparalleled at this price point, with its higher-than-average maximum polling rate of 8000 Hz and split-millisecond latency for a highly responsive in-game experience. It's also compatible with Corsair's ICUE software, meaning you can sync up your lighting effects with other Corsair products, like your mouse or PC components, for a unified theme in your setup.
At number 3.
And Pro 2D. If you're looking for the best 60% keyboard at a mid-range price point that offers solid gaming and general typing performance, we recommend the Huntsman and Pro 2. When you use this keyboard connected with its cable, it has exceptionally low latency that's roughly on par with more gaming-focused options like our top pick, the SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini above. However, its wireless latency doesn't compete, as it only connects wirelessly via Bluetooth. This Bluetooth capability provides longer battery life and flexibility for everyday browsing and productivity. It's also a great pick for multi-device setups, allowing you to pair with up to 4 devices simultaneously. This keyboard is available in various switch types from major brands like KLUDGE, Gateron, and Cherry, making it easy to find a switch that suits your preferences. It also comes with a few colorful keycaps to add a bit of personal flair to your board. On the note of the keycaps, this board has double-shot PBT keycaps like the higher-priced options on this list, which is a nice touch for a budget board. They feel great on the fingertips and have a nice texture for a good grip. While most compact boards lack arrow keys, this keyboard has a feature you can enable to make the right-side modifier keys act as arrow keys.
Number 2 of my list.
Razer Huntsman Mini. Around the upper mid-range price range, we recommend the Razer Huntsman Mini Analog. This keyboard has recently gone on sale at some online retailers and may be much closer or even a bit cheaper than our best mid-range pick below. We'll keep an eye on this price, but it's a great time to consider picking up the Huntsman Mini. Like our top pick, this keyboard has an adjustable pre-travel distance feature. However, its switches use optical technology, which means laser beams, and they're less consistent and accurate than the magnetic switches on the SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini Wireless. Plus, the range isn't as wide, as the lowest and most sensitive setting you can set is 1.5 mm. It performs similarly to the SteelSeries model, with equally low latency and excellent RGB backlighting. However, the Razer has a few more interesting features that the SteelSeries lacks. One such feature is the analog mode. When enabled, the switches register how far down you've pressed a key to respond in-game, like a gamepad controller, instead of registering it as a binary on off input.
And number 1.
SteelSeries Apex Pro. The best 60% keyboard we've tested is the SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini Wireless. It's a compact version of the enduringly popular SteelSeries Apex Pro. Like its full-size cousin, this keyboard also has an adjustable pre-travel distance feature, which means you can customize the sensitivity of your key presses. Whether you want a nearly instant 0.2mm actuation point for competitive gaming or a longer pre-travel of up to 3.8mm for general typing, you can fine-tune your preferences for each key, making this a versatile unit that's great for both work and play. This keyboard also connects using a USB receiver or Bluetooth, so you don't have to worry about cable management. Depending on what sort of connectivity you rely on, its battery supplies enough power for 30 to 40 hours of use, which is on the lower end of the scale, but that's not too surprising given its fully customizable RGB backlighting lighting. If you're concerned about the battery life,
check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.